What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick video on how to remove the seats in your C5 Corvette. I'm doing this on a 2004 with lumbar support. Main thing you want to do is take off the roof. It's going to give you a lot more room. You're going to need a 15mm socket. You're going to need one of these fastener removal tools or clip removal tools, as well as a flathead screwdriver. First step, you want to come down to the front of the seat and remove this little fastener that's in this plastic piece right here that hides the front bolts. Once you get that out, you want to pull this forward and then up, because it has a little indent on here that catches onto the hook of the seat, and now you have access to the front bolt. There's two bolts, like I said. There's one on the other side. Get those off. I already have them off. I'm just showing you guys the location. And then you're going to go to the back of the seat, lean it forward. Bam, there's two more back there. Loosen those up, and now you're going to be able to access under the seat. There's two plugs on the driver's side, and there's one plug on the passenger seat. This black one is on both seats. The blue one is only on the driver's side. I believe that's for easy entry and seat memory, maybe. I'm not positive. There's going to be two clips like these. I'm going to put this down, sorry for all the shakiness. You want to squeeze that and release that from the seat, and then you'll be able to use a flathead to get in there. But first, you probably want to lift the seat up as far as possible, so just raise that up. Now you're going to be able to access the plugs and get those unplugged with plenty of room. And once those are free, you're going to go ahead and go up to the top of the chair and lean it forward from the back of the headrest with that latch, and then grab the bottom of the seat and lift up. Be really, really careful with your paint. But now you're going to be able to vacuum your car. Maybe you drop some cheese in between the seat or something, or you just want to change your seats. You're good to go. I'm sorry I got the before I vacuumed. I didn't get the after for the satisfied people, you know, the satisfying videos or whatever. But thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.